Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about birdwatching, having the right pair of binoculars can make all the difference, bringing vibrant plumage and distant movements into crisp focus. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best binoculars for birdwatching, carefully chosen for their clarity, field of view, weight, and comfort during long observations. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned birder, there's something on this list to elevate your outdoor adventures. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest prices and full product details. And if you love nature gear reviews, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's take a closer look, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Jivcok Binoculars for Birdwatching. Discover every detail up close with the Jivcok 300x Compact Binoculars. Featuring a powerful 300x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, these binoculars let you see objects clearly up to 367 feet away, making them perfect for bird watching, hiking, sports events, and travel. Designed with advanced fully multi-coated Bach 4 prisms, they deliver bright, sharp, and color-accurate images even in low light. The binoculars come with a comfortable adjustable neck strap, a portable carry bag, and a phone adapter to capture your views effortlessly. The smooth center focus knob and right eye lens adjustment ensure quick, easy focusing for both adults and kids. With a foldable, lightweight design, these binoculars are ideal for on-the-go adventures. Built with durable, anti-slip rubber coating and secure screw locks, they're ready for any outdoor activity. Plus, backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Number 4. Aurosports 10x25 Binoculars for Birdwatching. Get closer to nature and adventure with the Aurosports 10x25 Compact Binoculars, perfect for both adults and kids. With 10x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, these binoculars bring distant objects 10 times closer with bright, clear, and vivid visuals thanks to premium Bach 4 prisms and multi-coated lenses. Lightweight and compact at only 0.5 pounds, their foldable design makes them easy to carry anywhere, from birdwatching and hiking to sports events and concerts. Built tough with shockproof, rubber-coated silicone, and waterproof, anti-fog features, these binoculars stand up to outdoor use and harsh conditions. Easy to focus with just 3 simple steps, they're perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Ergonomic and comfortable for long-term use, Aurosports binoculars make a thoughtful gift for nature lovers, kids, and outdoor enthusiasts for holidays and special occasions. Number 3. Adasion 12x42 Binoculars for Birdwatching. Experience nature and adventure like never before with the Adasion 12x42 Binoculars. Featuring powerful 12x magnification and a 42mm objective lens, these binoculars provide a wide 367 feet per 1,000 yards field of view, all while weighing just 1.25 pounds for easy portability. Equipped with professional-grade Bach 4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, they deliver bright, vivid, and crisp images even in low-light conditions. The upgraded universal phone adapter and 360-degree swivel tripod let you capture stunning photos and videos on the go. Built for the outdoors, the IPX7 waterproof and fog-proof design, plus a non-slip rubber grip, ensures durability and reliable performance in all weather. The comfortable twist-up eye cups and adjustable center focus will offer customized viewing for eyeglass wearers and non-wearers alike. Complete with a crossbody case and padded shoulder strap, Adasion binoculars are perfect for bird watching, hiking, hunting, stargazing, and more. Number 2. Huntry Binoculars for Birdwatching. Discover the perfect balance of power and portability with Huntry's 10x25 binoculars. Featuring 10x magnification and premium Bach 4 prisms, these compact binoculars deliver bright, sharp, and richly detailed images with impressive 3D depth, even in low light. Weighing only 0.6 pounds and palm-sized, they're easy to carry for everyday adventures. The adjustable interpupillary distance, 60 to 75 millimeters, ensures a comfortable fit for kids and adults alike, making them perfect for family outings. Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, traveling, or enjoying sports and concerts, Hon-Tri binoculars bring the world closer with clarity and convenience. Slip-resistant and designed for durability, they're your versatile companion for both outdoor exploration and everyday moments. Keep them handy in your car or backpack and enjoy crisp views wherever life takes you. Number 1. Ocker 12 by 25 Compact Binoculars for Birdwatching. Experience stunning clarity and power with Ocker's 12 by 25 binoculars, designed for both adults and kids. Featuring 12x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, these binoculars provide a wide 273 feet per 1,000 yards field of view to help you see farther and wider. Equipped with premium Bokeh 4 prisms and FMC broadband coating, they deliver bright, sharp, and true-to-life images. The adjustable rubber eye cups comfortably fit eyeglass wearers and non-glasses users alike, ensuring effortless viewing for everyone. Lightweight and compact, these binoculars fit perfectly in one hand, making them ideal for bird watching, camping, sports events, and travel adventures. Built with durable ABS plastic and a secure rubber armor grip, they're water-resistant and easy to carry with the included strap. A great gift for family and outdoor enthusiasts. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.